Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to get butterfly border on Word document. So let's start. This is my Word document and you can see in this document the border is butterfly showing. Okay, so let's see how it's done. So simply go to the design tab. In page background group, click on the page borders option and you can see the one dialog box is open, the borders and shadings. Then click on the page border tab is the second tab, the page borders. In page border, you can see here the art option. Okay, so you can select the border in art. Okay, just click on this drop down arrow and you can see just drag this below and you can see that different art is available. So I select here the butterfly art. Okay, when you select the art, you can see in preview is showing the butterfly border. Okay, just click on OK and that's it. Your butterfly border is applied. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.